Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to make new sentences in English. It's so easy to construct new sentences in English, and I'm going to tell you how you can construct new sentences or come up with new sentences in English about what you want to convey. And also I'm going to take a bit of grammar also. I'm going to talk to you about how you can use it in present tense, past and future tense. All the three tenses I'm going to talk about. I'm going to take each sentences and I'm going to tell you how you can use it in present, past and future tense, right? Or speak in present, past and future tenses. Okay, so this session is going to be very fruitful for you guys. Pay attention and you can repeat after me, speak with me, you can shadow with me so that you get a hang of the language and you will get to understand how you can come up with new sentences in English, and accordingly you can take that sentence and you can come up with more such sentences also. So that will be an example for you, a sample sentence for you, and you try and think about as many sentences as you can frame with that, considering that sentence. So that will be your task, that will be your homework. You have to come up with as many sentences as you can from these sentences which I have just spoken. Okay, and let me know in the comment section also what all sentences you can come up with. On that note, guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, if you want to speak English fluently and confidently, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. So stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Let's begin with the topic now. The first sentence is, I want to see a doctor, which means I want to meet the doctor. I am not well, I am sick, that's why I want to see a doctor. I want to meet a doctor, I want to go to the doctor's clinic, right? This is what it means. I want to see a doctor. Now this is the present tense, I want to see a doctor. How will you say in past tense? I wanted to see a doctor, right? Future tense, I am going to see a doctor. I am going to see a doctor. Okay, it literally doesn't mean you are going to see a doctor. There is a doctor standing or sitting somewhere and you want to go and see. It means you want to visit a doctor, you want to consult a doctor, or you want to go to the doctor's clinic to meet the doctor because of your health conditions. You have some infection, you are not well, and then you want to see a doctor, you want to go to a doctor. So this is what it means, I want to see a doctor. Okay, I wanted to see a doctor. I am going to see a doctor. So these are in three different tenses I've just spoken about. So these are the three different sentences which you can speak the same thing in. Okay, now you can come up with many sentences using this sentence. I want to see a doctor. I want to see a movie. I want to see a cartoon. I want to see the circus, right? Anything and everything, just you have to exercise your brain to come up with as many sentences as you can, guys. This is your homework or this is your task. Okay, if you start exercising your brain, if you start coming up with new sentences in present, past and future, it will be much easier for you to make new sentences and describe what you feel or what you want to say in English. Okay, sentence number 2. Today I want to binge watch some Netflix series, right? Today I want to binge watch some Netflix series. What does this mean, binge watch? Which means you want to watch some episodes back to back, or today you want to give some time to watching some series or any other thing which is there on OTT platform or anywhere else. Like you can binge watch a movie also, you can binge watch any TV serial as well. So anywhere you just want to watch something back to back is called binge watching. Today I want to binge watch some Netflix series, which means randomly I'll pick up some series and I'll start watching some episodes of that. Okay, or probably I've just made it a mind that today I'm going to watch a complete series today. Any series, whatever comes to your mind. Okay, so this series I'm going to watch completely today. So that is called binge watching. Okay, so present tense, today I want to binge watch some Netflix series. Okay, yesterday I binged watched some Netflix series. Yesterday I binge watched some Netflix series. Future, tomorrow I'm going to binge watch some Netflix series. It's as simple as that, right? So guys, this is so easy to come up with. You can start using present, past and future tenses to make sentences so that it's easier for you to understand how you can speak in present, how you can speak in past, and how you can speak in future tense. So once you get in the practice of speaking in these three tenses, it will be much easier for you to start making correct sentences. Okay, number 3 is, today is an unusual day for me as I'm going out for picnic with my colleagues. Right? So today is an unusual day for me because I'm going out for picnic with my colleagues. You work with your colleagues every day, right? And going out for a picnic, office picnic, is something which is little unusual, which happens probably once in a year, right? So that is why today is an unusual day for me as I'm going out with my colleagues for picnic. Okay, so this is in present tense. Now, past tense. Yesterday was an unusual day for me as I went out with my colleagues for picnic. Okay, future. Tomorrow is going to be an unusual day for me as I'm going out for picnic with my colleagues. Right? So this is how you have to focus on each word, like what I have used in present, in past and future. You have to take a note of it, guys. You have to see what I've used, what form of verbs I've used, right? Going out. I'm going out. I will be going out. Okay, so there are lots of things involved. So you have to pay attention to the sentence structure in each tenses. And once you get hold of that, it will be easier for you to start using it. Okay, so likewise you can come up with many more sentences using the same frames, using the same sample sentence. Try doing this, come up with as many sentences as you can, guys. Start writing it down immediately. You can pause my video and start doing this exercise as well. Okay, number 4. I am moving out from my apartment to a new location. I am moving out from my apartment to a new location. Now, what does moving out means? Moving out means you are vacating the place, or you are going out of the place, you're leaving that place. Okay, so what I said is, I am moving out of my apartment to a new location. So what I'm doing is, I'm leaving this place and I'm going to a new location. Right? I am relocating to some other place. This is what it means. I am moving out of this apartment to a new location. Right? Past. I moved out of my previous apartment to this location. I moved out of my previous apartment to this location. So this is the new location. This is the new location which I moved in. Okay, future. I'm going to move out from my apartment to a new location. Right? It's as simple as that. Likewise, start using your brains, come up with new sentences and see how many sentences you can come up with. Okay, I'm moving out of my school. I'm moving out of my college. I'm moving out of my hostel. Lots of things you can come up with, guys. It's not difficult. Try, give it a try at least. Okay, number 5. I am performing at the annual day function. I am performing at the annual day function. Right? I am performing, which means I have participated in some activity which I am going to perform at the annual event. Okay, so I am performing at the annual event. Now this is present. I am performing at the annual event. Past will be I have performed at the annual event function. Anywhere, school, college, office, any annual event function, right? I have performed at the last year's annual day function. You can always add that. I have performed at the annual day function, which means we have already done that. Or you can say last year or last to last year I performed at the annual day function. Future, I am going to perform at this year's annual day function or next year's annual day function. Whatever you feel. Okay, it's just that you have to show something in the future. So you can just add next year or this year or anything else like upcoming, annual day function. I'm going to perform at the upcoming annual day function. This is also fine. Okay, so in this way, you can just come up with new sentences, simple sentences. Speak simple sentences. That is the mantra. Always use simple sentences. Don't use complicated or complex sentences ever when you're learning English. Okay, and of course in our day-to-day conversation also we don't speak complex or compound sentences. We always use simple sentences. So that is always better to get hold of simple sentences only. So start practicing using simple sentences. Okay, that is going to help you. The last one is, it's great to be honored at the office town hall meeting. It's great to be honored at the office town hall meeting, right? Which means like you have been honored, you have been given some certificate or award at the office town hall meeting. So what you feel is it's great to be honored at the office town hall meeting. It's great to be honored at the office town hall meetings. You're expressing your feeling that yes, it is always great, you in front of everyone. If you're honored, if you're given a certificate or an award, it feels great, right? So it's always better to be, or it always feels great to be honored at the office town hall meetings. Okay, so this is what sentence means. Honored means rewarded or given a certificate or award or anything else, recognized basically. Okay, now this is the present tense. Past, it was great to be honored at the office town hall meeting. It was great to be honored at the office town hall meeting. Okay, it felt great to be honored at the office town hall meeting. Anything you can say. Future, it will feel great to be honored at the office town hall meetings. Okay, or it will be great to be honored at the office town hall meeting or meetings, whatever you. Okay, so this is the 3 versions of this sentence. Okay, I've spoken about all the 3 versions, present, past and future. In the same way, guys, you also have to take up sentences, whatever sentence you come up with, take up that sentence, use it in present, past and future tense. Try to get in practice of using these 3 tenses and getting hold of these 3 tenses. Apart from this, there are many things in these tenses also, like past perfect, present perfect, future continuous, present continuous, past continuous, and lots more. Okay, which I'm going to take up in some other session as well. I'm just talking about the basic present, past and future so that you get hold of this, like how you can use what words are used to express present, past and future. You have to distinguish that. You have to differentiate that. Once you start differentiating what is used in present, past and future, it will be much easier for you to understand every other tense. Like past perfect, present perfect, future perfect or continuous or anything else. Okay. So guys, this video was to help you out with all the 3 tenses and to give you an idea about all the 3 tenses and help you understand what words or forms of words are used to express these 3 tenses and how you can come up with new sentences in English using this sample sentence. There are many sentences which you can start coming up with, right? You can always speak with me, repeat after me, shadow with me. You can pause my video, you can repeat my sentences and you can write it down and see how many other sentences you can recall or come up with, with this sentence structure. Start practicing it in this way and you will see a lot of difference after a month for sure. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.